It's being called a win for hardworking families. The unions say it's a big victory for nurses, teachers, and other public sector workers who have been protesting Bill 124 since it came into effect more than 5 years ago.
Today's victory is a reminder of who has the real power of a majority in this province. Ontarians, working people, not the Premier and not his government.
Union leaders gathered at Queen's Park to say enough is enough. They're calling on the Ford government to move on and start fixing the harms caused by the wage restraint law. The head of the Ontario Nurses Association says Bill 124 is a driver behind the healthcare crisis, pushing nurses to leave frontline hospital jobs in search for better pay.
Since Doug Ford took office in 2018, the number of nurses leaving the system has increased every single year. For every 10 nurses this government claims to have hired, 6 have left.
A joint statement by unions representing frontline healthcare workers says the government must increase hospital budgets by at least 5% beyond inflation in each of the next 4 years to hire staff, clear the surgical and diagnostic backlogs, and get patients off stretchers and into real beds.
We are just weeks away from a provincial budget. This budget must invest in services in our communities, yes, in our hospitals and in our healthcare system, where the crisis that is unfolding in our communities is so well documented.
Teachers' unions are also sounding off, saying the Ford government needs to stop appealing this and get on with it.
This has been a waste of taxpayers' money. There was no need to do this. What they did was unconstitutional. It was very clear violation in regards to collective bargaining, and hopefully they've learned their lesson.
Through the arbitration process, some teachers, nurses, paramedics, and college workers have been awarded billions in back pay. The unions are calling for all workers impacted by the bill to receive the same.
And take note, Premier Ford's relentless attacks on our rights have lit a fire under working people in this province, and it's not going out anytime soon.
Shauna Hunt, City News.